All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all is well with you. So, the recent video of Lazuba, not just yesterday, I think 2 days ago, and that video, she was lambasting this lady called Amicable, insulting her, saying all manner of nonsensical things, just to prove that she's against anything USB government and, of course, against ID card. Am I surprised? No, I'm not, because she has said that many times. I understand her problem, but I want to play some of her claim so that you can hear that, for you to know that when we say that this woman is running mad, you may not understand. You may not understand. She mapped out her time to pick fights to somebody that she knows nothing about. And she called this lady a man. This lady is the lady you are seeing here in the picture here. That she's a boy. This little boy. Between Lazuba and this lady here, who looks like a man? I'm just asking. This lady you are seeing here and Lazuba, who looking at both of them, who look like a man? Anyway. Let's continue. Just pay close attention. Before then, please, I would like you to like the video and, of course, subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. Make sure you subscribe and put your comment. Let me know what you think about what Lazuba said and what the video is all about. Hear this.
I don't know how much Ngozi Olabeze nyeli ye. And any amount on Ngozi nyeli ya kwa ready. Shut up.
Did you hear that? She always thinks that everybody is under payroll. But that's not for him. Call my ear. I'm gonna go and go on the now listen.
Ama monye mata woka. This man. This man aneba. Ama ko monye monyo. Manana mayo onyo na ma this man. Woka neba. This man not this place. Yes. Jeno gwia. Si ana adande mbanande gede gwari ya mind their business here. Nya mind the business here. Or sisi no ya mind the business here. Ya welcome na social media.
And a question of you for no we watch. Mind that business. Oh my day, again. Get it. Other than whoa, common sense. What will you do? Are you God? Who are you? Lazuba, you can claim anything you want to claim, but you cannot deny the fact that nobody value what you are, your stupidity. Bulu this is easy right? Very small head, very, very tiny, easy to one Durana village. In a boy, does this lady look like a man? That's a small. Your nose structure with your flat forehead good tells everything about you. You're a man. Because this woman is so evil. What did this lady do to you that warrant you calling her a man? Okay, for how deadly and how devilish your mind can be. Listen again.
Because this man, this small boy, Amalon, Ebe, Mirisi Weba, no Pubogro. If it was this is struggle. This small boy, I'm on a struggle before. This small boy, anything I say about this is struggle. Because I don't this man. This small man, or small boy. Na dandem banande gedesia. Amona me go nengoza la beze kuria. Cause one go kunko one time and they say a banquet. No who's na akuru you go kopta na social media. Who rubbish ke we buende bai. Because so kafa me ya mind their business here. They know so when
As Lazuba,
I'm
since
send
you have
this
been in the
message.
struggle, you said that they been to one of people ball. Came in to one of people one in them. Go on at the struggle all this while. Do you actually understand what happened? If a camera is one of people one, you think that is about lying and lying and lying. That is the only way to go. To you, that's what you consider to be the right thing to do. Normally, they say about people. Give one man a post can you even say common truth? You can't. You can't say anything about it. Okay, for the mindset of this evil woman. Hear her.
Biko, achọrọ m ka unu gee ntị ife okwulu.
Now let's
Because
listen.
nkwu onye si n'ife na-atọ ụtọ. Agwa m unu ife ọ na-atọ ka ya.
The man
Achọrọ
called
m ka
you
unu
not
gee this
because
small boy ntị.
eziokwu nara no, you know. So who is actually waiting for you to say tell the truth?
Biafrans, good afternoon, good evening. Ebe ọbụla ị nọ. Ọwa nọ Nwayi amicable. Enwere ihe m sị ka m gwa ndị Biafra and okwu m niile na-aga for ndị Igbo wụ ndị Biafra.
Direct message from
ndị
this
Biafra niile. Ebe ọbụla ị nọ, ọwụ na inwetebe our ID card, Biafra's national ID card, gbaa ọsọ gaa were ya now, because I'ma drop the link na the comment section so that ịchọ maka when ndị na-ajụ m sị m na-ele ebe the link how to apply, na-ele ebe ọ nọ. I will drop the link under the comment section. Once you click there, you eburu gị gawa ebe ị ga-eme apply. So emekwere this thing ignore. Ihe m na-ekwu emekwere ya ignore, especially ndị n'obodo oyibo. As e dey work, e dey show. Some people bịakwa na ha say no ashe, nothing like that. Enwe ihe dịka national ID card Biafra. Enwekwara and a lot of people are benefiting from it o. Ndị mmadụ, a lot of people are testifying about it, especially ndị n'obodo oyibo.
which is true.
So ọwụ na ị n'obodo oyibo inwetebe this thing, gbaa mbọ gaa weta ya. Anaghị dispatch la, anaghị ezigara ndị mmadụ ndị ke mere apply nke ha. Onwe ndị sikwa awashi na ndị mere apply for how many years, I just na-ekwu okwu. Ọ gbasakwara gị dey show. Aka hụrụ this picture no here now, these are the people wetegoro their own. So Biafra ị na-ahụ echi, the level ị na-ahụ ya, ịhụrụ ya echi akwụkwọ level ọ nọ today. Gbaa mbọ gaa mee apply, gaa weta your own. Gbaa mbọ gaa weta ya. Maka especially ọrụ na-enwe ha akwụkwọ, ndị n'obodo oyibo na-enwe ha akwụkwọ ebe ọbụla ha nọ. Ebe ọbụla ha nọ enwe ha akwụkwọ, gakwa gba ọsọ gaa chọọ ebe gaa mee apply this thing, gaa gba ọsọ chọọ ya. Because Biafra nọzikwara that level unu uche n'ọnụ. Because ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-ekwu maka this ID card, otu o si bara ha uru ọ bagorore ha. Egekwala ihe ndị mmadụ na-agwa gị. Ichi ịmata the right thing or ịchọ the right source, there are a lot of place to get it. Egekwala na ndị mmadụ sị gị that na there is nothing like national ID card in the Biafra. Oh no, ọ jukwere.
No, but this small boy called amicable. Alande banande gede na agwa gị say that.
Shut up your mouth. Adan Bonandegede. Who made you Adan, let alone Kende Bonamon Kendegede? Where on earth Kisubute your Ndem Bonandegede? A liar, a deceiver, a manipulator, Adan Bonandegede. Very, very, very well known criminal. Attacking people for no reason. Guido Bez and gather together. Every now and then, without pointing anything, any tangible thing to back up your claim. A liar at your age. You're a disgrace to womanhood. Look at, you are calling this lady a man, a boy. You will that one. If somebody called one guy and working, how will you feel? You see, this kind of words, all right, is what is not meant for any mother. Like, oh, somebody will go wrong. You need to have boundary and limits, because if you don't have any restriction, you believe that you can say anything, may I lie, be a liar life and get away with it, no problem. This kind of insult is the reason why anybody sensible enough will not take you serious at all, because you can lie, you can deceive.
Na iwu anụ ọfịa ezigbote anụ ọfịa ka iwu. Number one, ọwụ na ịchala ọcha. Ndị be anyị sị na ọcha awụ mma, mana ịchachichala wee jọọ nje eji afụ court. Very ugly idiot. Ọ ife iwu. Afụbe m onye dị ọcha like
with imi ga dị ka ife azọrọ ka iji agwa this lady na ọ chọrọ ndị eji apụ court. Ọ bụrụ na onye ajụrụ ndị ga-eji aga court, ma na gwa na every suppose in na prison, because well, anything you get like, or your shape of your lips, or your, like I said, forehead if I match pass, totally flat, level ground. Cause isi one do. Ono ma one zana ne do na village. Isi fa de ka obela aki uma we templa kwa na posoko. Akena m n'imi na pempe. Round the shape, table tennis head. Ibulia what away de kade. Ikuzo ko na ina asanu ko etiri si n'ime drum, empty drum. Very noisy and lousy. It was the bucha, it was a gogore now. Is a crown oil with Google Nazako with the apple week. Why voice and the addicted to alcohol? Now, I don't know this lady, please, but it is very, very sad to watch Lazuba. I don't want to talk about ID card, because that one is making argument with this non-entity about ID card doesn't mean anything. What do you know? I have a video of somebody who is not even an Igbo person in Italy, I think from maybe Europe or something like that, was telling the girl made a video, non-Igbo person, is either Bini or Robo, that kind of, those people from our side that are not Igbo tribe, all right? The lady made a video was telling the Igbo people that you guys, there are a lot of people that are not Igbo are using Biafra now to get asylum in Italy. She does say ID card, but I already know what she's talking about, because the document they're gonna use, of course, will come from USB government, because people from Ogen camp and Imam Madab tried and they failed woefully. They will still run back to USB government to get authentic and the original document to see for asylum. The girl was telling the Igbo people that if you are an Igbo man, if you are from Biafra, she don't mention Biafra. She said the Igbo people, okay, that you know that the Igbo people are looking for one thing, that she don't want to mention the name. According to her, she said one thing they are looking for their freedom. I don't want to mention the name. She said that they're using the name to have their document. In Europe, where this is a flavor, why you know. Now I call you on here. And that one, they wanna, oh, we are waiting for you to come out. When I lead the mass, I'm not gonna come out. He's coming out, but he's not coming out to start wasting time with the non-entity. He's not coming out for that. Listen again.
You Jolonjo, and do you know the reason why you were John? The reason why you were Chacha, Amano no Mokeo, Amano no one keo, is enough ago amicable. Amicable. Let me tell you something. I wouldn't want in an asibo, undibo.
On the Abu fake in Igbo, and like Igbo man and Igbo. I've noticed that anybody that's so easy to tell you or to say someone, oh, you don't look like Igbo, you don't, the person that name me without any valid reasons. Someone now go make go or they could be for warrant to go with police something. Go with person now go no Igbo. That means you yourself talking. You are not Igbo. You know, I'm amicable. That she have not seen any woman that bears amicable. Okoye as a Chika. Her name is Chika. Lazuba's name, Igbo name, according to her, is Chika. I have a lot of boys, friends, classmates that bears the name of Chika. And they are all men. So shall we start calling you, what the boy, what the boy, what the other Jackie, what donkey. Shall we start calling you the boy or this guy, this man? Because your name is Chika. They believe. This is the same group of people who came out and said that Ngozi or Abeza have different names. In fact, they make a to protect those people who could not even recognize what the blessing is called in Igbo name. That she bears Ngozi and she bears blessing. Is that not madness? Knowing for a fact that the translation of Ngozi is a blessing. I'm going to that. Even if they make sabotage, they always abandon their brain. They get
idea nka. Nekwu ganya n'iru inwere omuri iwu ndị Igbo. Anyị mo nwaanyị na ife nwaanyị. Ke gosa ya na ID card. Achọrọ m echi niile.
In Akpali Igbo, if you think that your look represents Igbo look, I swear that you are insulting us. Your look, Lazuba, to you now represent Igbo. You know what? Is that what you think? You didn't know what guy was that. With the lips guy, big if Jamaians. Let's only get the given Jamaians. You go about how you work it go Madam Benapo haircut. This Nekachimese. Kai Redika, Salambaraka, what a white Georgian Jota with good license of boost up with Sonia and Jokata Pondra Ganachiki. Is a little Jokan Jogera. You bully all your colleague now. Una get it after snatch back animals away, one white was with it. Chukwaj. Man, I ain't checking my outside now. Because my mamma. I tell you now, I want get as my bona. Upon the can do the good engagement. Pierce not make no engagement. I hear the hero can there. I'm what I know, no matter how he's much and the man I make a mother one day. Nagano. Before I find out that we got I got chip and Kayamata. That's Kayamata about a marriage. You go touch a follow why. Instead of how you get hand like the first night you kill you first. A bag I hear power kill you can. If you put it name, you know, if you're gonna put mommy, or the bank will make everything no buy on. Oh, we're fogging. If you're gonna have it, not just again maybe this. What people call no by prison. You will wait the audacity there one man in Ojalonja. As well, guys, I know.
Because we got faith on one nature. And then 2 days
Yes,
to show Biafrans.
If you have why about a show, authority and command. And you have 2 days to show Biafrans her own ID card. On a working of fake, destroy it now. She don't want to destroy it.
On ID card.
Your job.
About the very important.
Open or important and key email, destroy it now. Destroy it. They check a mommy, kick a message with this thing. I want you to see her more. Negodimi Lazuba. Negodimia. Name me all of them you can have here. They can full stop. Ebon abo, they na plaster. I call tossing me to there. I'm in a whole of the thing I'm there. With the eyeglass monkey on you. In a quarter get madon. Look my guy again. Never tell guy with ID card. Because you boy your job. Is your own ID card. Now they discourage other people not to get their own ID card. That is a sign of witches. You damn, that's witchcraft. That's witchcraft. Destroy and kick. Dina Sonia. Careful on my penny on them. Everything on the woman Makia. Careful Alwan. If Alwan. If Alwan. Anyway, I just want to share this with us. I don't need to play all her nonsense if you're not playing on there. Let me know what you think about it. Good morning to you. And don't forget to like and share. God bless you. Bye bye for now.